Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about something that may come up if you're publishing an ebook. I know at least one distributor that has this requirement, and that is that the size of your ebook cover within your document must be under 4 megapixels. What does that mean? Well, let's go into GIMP, which is the editing software I use, and have a look. This is an ebook cover that I created recently, which I made by cutting the paperback cover down to size. However, I know that this image is still above 4 megapixels and so won't be accepted at all distributors and retailers. How do I know the size of the image? Well, if I go into Scale Image, I can see the size of the image. You'll see there's a height and a width given in pixels. To get the size in megapixels, you have to multiply these two. Now, I know from experience that if I change the height to around 2400, it's probably going to come in under the 4 megapixel size. Oh, and one thing to remember when you're doing this, whatever software you're using, make sure that the image ratio is locked. Now, let's see if I'm right by putting the measurements into my calculator. Yay! As you can see, it squeezes in at just under 4 megapixels, and that's all there is to it. It's easy when you know how. Make sure you look for this function in your photo editing software. All I have to do now is to insert this image into the file. And if you want to know how to do that in Scrivener, this video will show you how. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.